Members, any questions? Seeing none, we're going to move on to our last bill. House Bill 819. I've got the State of Hawaii Judiciary first. Thomas Keller provided comments. Lori Temple, ACLU of Hawaii. In opposition, Arvid Junquist. In opposition, Kevin Callahan provided comments. Anyone else wishing to testify on House Bill 819? Good morning.
Thank you for hearing my testimony.
And if you could just state your name and explain
Sure.
how you're related to the...
My name is Melanie McClellan, and I'm Karen Ertel's foster daughter. And in May 2007, I found my mother's body when I was 9 months pregnant, after she had been brutally raped and murdered in what the police call a very planned, very well executed, very well covered up crimes. And I just like to state my support for this bill. It would mandate 15 to 17-year-olds be tried automatically as adults. We waited for almost 15 months after my mother's murder just to determine whether the juvenile case could be tried as a juvenile or as an adult. Some people are saying, questioning whether we need this waiver hearing because we're not talking about petty crimes. We're talking about calculated first and second degree murder only. And some people have brought up the issue of mental health. What if the juvenile has mental health issues? They need other types of programs and counseling. Adults have those types of issues too. They'll still have access to those programs, and they'll still have access to a fair trial like anybody else. It's just that we need to send a message that first and second degree murder are, you don't deserve a waiver hearing. All the cases in the last 10 years were, I believe all but 2 were waived through to adult court. One instance where a juvenile did not go through to adult court. He was released at 19. I believe by the time he was 22, he had murdered the off-duty police officer. So these waiver hearings, if nothing else, are a tremendous waste of money and time and manpower for a very serious offense. And it prolongs the grieving process. The victim's family we had to wait for so long. And it makes me wonder how long everybody else has had to wait that's been in my shoes. And to be just pulled through the ringer like that after such a gruesome discovery, it's just so unnecessary.
Thank you very much. And I'm sure you're going to be around. Some of the members may have questions for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next we have the Honolulu Police Department, City County of Honolulu.
Good morning, Chairman Bill. Good morning, Chair Law, members of the committee. I'm Captain Richard Robinson, Honolulu Police Department. I'm in charge of the violent crime section. The Honolulu Police Department supported this bill. I believe the definition of what a juvenile has changed in a lot of people's minds over time. The case that was just spoken about, just to verify all of her facts are correct, 5 separate family court hearings, over a year delay, and now the adult judicial process is just beginning. The department strongly believes that justice delayed is justice denied. I don't believe a family should have to wait that long for justice. These type of extremely serious crimes, I think, are in a separate category. While I balance the needs of juveniles to protect them, I think in these cases where they're that egregious, I think this is where the rights of the community are more important than the rights of the juvenile.
Thank you very much for your testimony.
Thank you.
Anyone else wishing to testify on House Bill 819? Jack Tanaki, Public Defender's Office.